Hi Space Crow. Now I want to show you how, whilst we can't meet in person at events, what we can do in our AIIM 21 Galactic Digital Experience is create some one-to-one appointments and meet virtually. From the event homepage, you're just going to click Schedule Appointment. Here you'll be taken to your calendar, which is based on your schedule, so any sessions that you have are already built into the calendar. You can run over to Directory, and there are two types of appointments that you can make. Appointments with other attendees, and then appointments with our partners. So I'm going to make an appointment with an attendee and show you how to do that. I'm just searching for Danielle, because I know her name. I could have scrolled through. I can also press on the filters, and I can look for people with similar job titles that I hold, or I can look for similar industry that I'm in to try and narrow down a search for people. To make an appointment with Danielle, I'm just going to press this request an appointment. As you can see, it's an attendee to an attendee appointment. It's with Danielle, and if I wanted to add other people, I could also do that here and add in anybody else I would want to attend. I'm going to choose a time in here that says when everybody is available. So I'm going to select a time. These are 10-minute appointments. So I've selected a time that both of us are available for. We can meet, of course, virtually. I'm going to add in a subject here. And a description, just so that Danielle would know what I wanted to talk to her about. Don't worry about the private note at this point. I would then press Send Appointment Invitation, and that will go directly to Danielle's inbox. When Danielle accepts the appointment, this will appear on both calendars. As you can see here, Amanda has accepted an appointment with me. I can click on that appointment at the right time. I can add it to my personal calendar, but when it's time and it's 2 o'clock Eastern Time on the 27th, I'm literally going to press that Join button. And this will take you to a Zoom room that is private for you and the other person your appointment is with. If I want to cancel the appointment or edit it, I do this from inside here. All notifications about appointments will be emailed to you. So any appointment requests, any edits or any cancellations, you'll be able to click onto those information inside the email, and that will access through to the portal. You can also find a list of all your confirmed appointments here. Here's my one with Mandy at 2 o'clock. I can also find these in my schedule. So I'm going to scroll down to 2 o'clock, and I see here my test appointment. If I open it up, I can see this is with Mandy, and again I have that join button or the edit and the cancel appointment. Again, I can also add this to my Outlook calendar. So take the time, go make some appointments with attendees and join those like-minded conversations, and just meet up for coffee and a quick chat. This is the best that we can do in a virtual world, but it doesn't mean that we can't have those conversations and we can't meet with each other. So please schedule appointments and build your Space Crow.